Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This will be the last time you're going to see this outfit for a while. Like I said, I just recorded 3 videos back to back. I'm recording this one ahead of my work trip that was this week, so I apologize for missing out on Monday. But I do have a fun box that I'll be sharing tonight, and then I will be back with some more jewelry for next week. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube, Poshmark, The Real. I do post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, mostly from Thredup, but I do like a variety. So you will see America's Thrift Supply, Thrift World, the Goodwill Blue Box as well. I did order a Goodwill Blue Box purse box that I will be sharing very soon too. I will be offering items for sale throughout the video. If there's anything you'd like to purchase, just please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer, so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. And if you are new here, please make sure that you are subscribed if you like mystery unboxings. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos. And if you can give the video a thumbs up on your way in, it really helps out. So I do have the fun box here. She is relatively light, but it did come in the larger side, or the larger size box. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So if there's an invoice, we'll see around when I ordered it. This was from the end of March, and these run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And you're guaranteed 10 items. Normally you get more. So let's go ahead and take a first look. I am seeing maybe some denim in there. Maybe like a blue gray type of theme. So let me grab a thumbnail and then we'll get started. All right, so first up we do have a denim hat. And this is lined with a Sherpa, so more of a winter hat, and then it does tie under the chin. And oh my gosh, this is brand new and it is made well. So that's fantastic. It's a size medium large, 100% cotton. The lining is just a faux Sherpa, polyester, and acrylic. This is adorable. I imagine it's a women's hat. It could be unisex. But what an amazing item. I will look that up and put a price on the screen, but Madewell is a great brand. And we do have something in this pouch here that's also brand new. I am seeing some good items in here. So this is an infinity loop scarf, made in China, and it is 100% cotton. So it is a loop scarf, and then it has the chain detail. So that's really cute. It is a thin scarf, and then you can just wrap it around, and then you do have the little chain to dress it up a little bit. I don't see a brand on this one. We'll just do $5 on that, but that's a really nice item. And we do have some socks, headbands, maybe a mestizo. We do have some sunglasses here. And these are like a gray and black kind of marble. And then it does have kind of a flower accent on the side. These are not branded. And let me see if there's scratching on these. I don't think there's scratching. These are actually really nice. And I think they're brand new. So let's do $5 on those. I don't see any issues with the lenses. So very nice. I think those are brand new probably. And we do have our hair accessories. We have a beachy bobble made in China. And this is yellow with a flower print. So really cute. Let's do $3 on that one. Kind of shabby chic. We have this one. It's kind of like a straw with multicolor weaving. And there's no branding on that one as well. We'll do $3 on that too. And then we have this one with a top knot. And this one is in nice condition. It's like a satin. There might be just a minor mark at the top. Very, very faint. No branding on that one. We'll do $3 on that. If you want all three, we'll just do all three for $7 on the hair accessories. And I do have a watch here. And this is branded. This is Anne Klein. Really nice silver tone. And then there are a couple rhinestones on the face. And a really nice blue color. I will get this working. It looks brand new. I don't see scratching on the outside. It's not adjustable. It looks like it's on the smaller side, and I believe somebody has removed a couple of the links. So it is going to be coming in very small on this one. Probably a 6. All right, and how cute are these? I think I've gotten this brand before, but these is like a Tiffany blue, and then you have these pigs in different hats in teacups. Absolutely adorable. Let's do $5 on those. They are a shoe size 4 to 10.5. Those are so cute. And we do have a pair of earrings here. And these are like an agate slice. And they are mismatched because they are different pieces of the agate. But really cool. And I don't see any markings on the hooks. It's possible they could be sterling. Let's do $6 on those. Those are really cute. And next we have our Mosiso laptop pouch. This is like a sage green, and it looks to be in good condition. There was just a fuzz there. You do have a little front pocket, and then you have the zip around pocket there with the fleece lining padded. We'll do $8 on the Mosiso. Those always come in handy. If you need a measurement on it, let me know. And wow, we have this really heavy cooler tote. Beautiful bag by Pendleton. And it's got a really nice Aztec print, teal green and gray. And you have a front pocket there, unless this is a diaper bag. Oh, it's a blanket. So it does have instructions. So I am not going to take it out of the pouch, but it all folds in there. So this whole thing zips around, and then there's a picnic blanket in here. I will see if I can get a stock photo and put that on the screen, but I don't want to unravel it right now because it's going to be very hard to get it back together. So that is amazing. That's a really good brand. And next up we have this. I don't know exactly what this is. I guess a belt. It is really pretty. It is like the Starry Night kind of pattern. Very vibrant colors, and it looks to be brand new. And you have this huge clasp on it. So I don't know exactly what you would use this for, but it looks brand new. I don't see any branding. We'll do $5 on that piece. So this was a great box. I'm very, very happy with this one. The best item was probably this Pendleton blanket. So I will see what I can find out about that. We had the Mosiso laptop pouch. We had the belt or strap for number 3. Number 4, we had the adorable pig socks. For 5, we had the sunglasses. I'll put those back in their bag. Number 6, we had the gorgeous agate earrings. Number 7, we had the infinity scarf with the chain. 8, we had the watch from Anne Klein. 9, we had the hat. And then 10, we had the 3 hair accessories. So they counted that as 1. I'm really happy with this box. I've started to pick these up more often now because I do like unboxing these. It's a really fun variety, super easy to list items. So let me know what your thoughts were about this one. I thought it was a great box. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday with hopefully some jewelry. I will see you then.